Hello, friends. Welcome to Short Stories. Today, I am going to narrate a short story, and the title of the story is How Prayer is Important in Your Life. A saint used to teach Gita to his disciples every day. All the disciples were happy with this, but one disciple looked worried. The saint asked him the reason for this. The disciple said, Gurudev, I do not understand what you teach. That is why I am worried and sad. Guru said, Bring the coal carrying basket filled with water. The disciple was surprised. How will the basket be filled with water? But since this was ordered by the Guru, he filled the river water in the basket and ran, but to no avail. The water trickled down from the basket. He filled the basket with water and ran to Guruji many times. But the water did not last in the basket. Then he went to his Gurudev and said, Gurudev, it is not possible to bring water in a basket. It is of no use. Guru said, There is benefit. Look in the basket. The disciple saw that by immersing the coal basket in water again and again, it became clean. Its blackness is gone. Guru said, just like the coal basket became clean and you didn't even know, in the same way, grace begins by listening to satsang again and again. Even though you are not able to understand now, but you will definitely feel the benefit of prayers or satsangs in your life, and Guru's blessings will always be on you. Friends, we emphasize the importance of prayer meetings or satsang in stories. You don't get immediate benefit by prayers or by attending prayer meetings. But if you participate in prayer or prayer meetings regularly, you will see a dazzling change in your life in few days. Daily prayer can bless you, your family, and those you pray for. It can also invite more peace into your life, help you learn more about God's plan for you. So, pray every day. That's all for the today's story. Have a nice day. Thank you for listening to the stories.